Every year, I bring out the Wedding Industry Speakers course. Now, this is something we've done for several years now after many people requested it, and I'm here to say it's one of my favorite things that we do each year. In short, it's 8 weeks with myself and my team to help you elevate your industry speaking. The way it works is this. We do 8 solid weeks every week, and it's going to be 2-hour live lessons. Starts in mid-January, and yes, you can still participate. If you can't go to everything live, we do record it. Every week we really have these building blocks to help accelerate you. I really like to think of it as moving the needle wherever you are in your speaking career. In addition to that, we will have office hours every single week that are live, that are not recorded, and it's a chance for you to come with your questions and we could just meet you where you are. This is really fantastic for people who are, I'd like to say, 0 to 5 years into their speaking career. They're here and they want to be over here. We cover a number of things throughout the course, starting with the basics of goals, thought leadership. We bring you all the way to pitching to national and international conferences, as well as paid speaking engagements. Finally, every year we actually do a bonus week, that 8th week, where we go ahead and really tie it all together from a publicity standpoint and help you get quoted, get featured, get on podcasts as well, so you can be seen as the thought leader that you are. We are so excited for you to join us. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. We look forward to seeing you soon.